Do you need to use the same diagnostic sequences again and again and again and again? Let's automate them with CANoe. Hello, my name is Michael Webler and I'm responsible for the diagnostics features in CANoe and CANalyzer. There are two different types of macros available for diagnostics. The ASC, short for ASCII macros, and the VDS, Vector Diagnostic Scripting macros. ASCII macros are also the legacy type of macros, which are not suited so well for authentication and security access topics. They are static and do not adapt themselves to different preconditions. For example, a random seed to be used for computing a key. Nevertheless, they are still available and can be used. Just open the automation sequences and go to the Macros tab. There you will find the possibility to create, add, remove and edit ASCII macro files. After creating a new macro, you can start recording, which will store basically the raw data sent by the diagnostic window into an ASCII file for later replay. But the macros which we'll use today are the VDS macros, which are available in the diagnostic window. The benefit of them is that they can be executed as fast as possible. That means faster than you recorded them. Also, the requests they are sending out can adapt themselves dynamically. With older CANoe versions, they are only available for recording with the diagnostic console, but meanwhile, they are supported for all diagnostic features. Let's record a simple example macro. At first, you need to add a macro and choose a new file name for it. Now, just press the record button. Of course, measurement needs to be running for that. Send all the services you plan to record. Let's go with the switch to default session, read out ECU identification and development data, and set the serial number of the ECU to 777. When done, stop recording. As you can see, writing the serial number fails because the tester is not authenticated and the security access requirements are also not fulfilled. Therefore, I will stop measurement and quickly add this manually to the recorded macro, directly below starting the default session. If you need further information on VDS, please have a look at the help under Delivered Documents, Diagnostics, VDS Library Quick Start Guide. After starting the measurement again, we can play our macro. It takes a second to compile, but only on the first play. After that, you can quickly replay it as many times as you want. That's all on macros. In the next video, we will have a look at the diagnostic feature OBD. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the Vector Tech Tutorial channel, and have a look at our other diagnostics videos. There are so many.